Hello guys, product service class add product service constructor. This constructor instantiate DB context class that interact with DB. Add product as seen. Add new product in DB. First of all, create SQL parameter object. Add parameter. Add parameter one by one parameter object product service product entity correspond value product name product description correspond product product description product price correspond value product price product stock correspond value product stock db context db database execute sql row as in execute SQL query and store procedure. Add new product is a store procedure. Parameter name, product description, etc. Store procedure parameter with add parameter value to array. This query run then add new product, then return success value. The success value type is integer. At the same create delete product as seen asynchronously this parameter pass this parameter value filter it this parameter pass this parameter value this procedure db content database execute interpolated async method execute interpolated query. This is interpolated query. Delete product async is a procedure name. Product's ID is a parameter value. Execute this procedure. Delete product. Get product by ID asynchronously. Retrieve the product from product table. First of all, create SQL parameter object param. This parameter it is a procedure parameter name and correspond parameter value field. This query from SQL row method execute SQL query and procedure name. It is the procedure name. Product ID is a parameter and param is a parameter value parameter and parameter value to asynchronously. Details get a row by filtered product ID value from database. Products get product survey product list async get product list async method retrieve product asynchronously. Retrieve list of products asynchronously. db context db product is a table from SQL row execute SQL query and a procedure is a procedure name. This procedure retrieve list of product asynchronously to list async. Update product async method execute update a product. First of all, create parameter object parameter object add with add object one by one. Product ID product correspond product ID parameter name correspond product name product description product description product price product stock add parameter db context db database execute SQL row async execute SQL row async method execute SQL query and procedure name and procedure parameter and pass this procedure parameter with value to array and updated it this by this product id value Thank you so much.